Chris, what does that say?
No tray passing has art us REA.
What does that mean?
We keep going.
All right, let's keep going. That's it.
Yeah.
Let's get out of here.
See you guys tomorrow.
What's going on, lazy bushcrafting fans? It's myself, Owen. Today we have Chris, aka
Crew NYC.
Crew NYC. We used to play a lot of paintball together from back in the day. Still one of my really good friends. Yep. We decided to come out to Camp Hero in Long Island. This is really close to Montauk. As a matter of fact, it's like only a few minutes away from the Montauk lighthouse. So if you're ever out here, not only do you get to see the lighthouse, you should come over to Camp Hero. It's a nice little walk, and as a matter of fact, I really like the beaches over there. We just came across on the trail, and it's really beautiful. It's a cliffside and all this other stuff. You're not supposed to go into the Camp Hero radar area, but you know, we were able to get footage from aliens. So hope you enjoy that footage. Chris, do you have anything you would like to put in?
Yeah, if you're looking for an easy hike also, this is a great place to do it. You can actually drive around a certain area over here. There's a trail for driving, and then they have areas where it's closed off for vehicles too. But like Owen said, the beach is really nice out here. If you want to get a good view of the water, you can do that. They also have a bluff with a great view down there and all the boats and with the sun.
Yep. Just a tidbit for those that haven't seen any Camp Hero radar dish videos. This is the actual location where they had it's an inspiration for the sci-fi Netflix series Stranger Things. So come out here just for the history, I guess. If not, you know, it's a nice walk.
We're not sponsored by Netflix.
No, we're not. We're not. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video.
Cheers. What the fuck? Is this high velocity?
No, man. You got to keep going that way.
Ah, shit.